Look at that. Isn't that a sweet pass?
Yeah.
There we go. Almost knife edging. Okay, safe's been on that whole time, which is just nice to have. Makes you just feel a lot more comfortable. There, we do have an audience today. We'll fly up, up, up. I like doing this. Pretty pass. At this point, there's not much else I can say about this jet. It's been on the channel a handful of times. I fly it every chance I get. If I get to fly something for fun, this is on my top 3 list of things to get to fly for fun. It just looks amazing. What a beautiful day to get to fly. So let's cut right to the chase and put it in the air. Okay, we've got a little bit of wind coming in, so that'll affect our takeoff, but that's about it. So we're gonna taxi down and put it in the air. I don't wanna go too fast. This thing will take off pretty quick, I think. That's good enough. So a lot of people don't believe this when I say it, but this puppy will go over 100 miles an hour pretty easily. And we're up. Okay, let's get a feel for this. It's actually been a little while since I've flown it. We've had so many things that I've wanted to do for the channel lately. I haven't had a chance to fly this for fun. I'm gonna leave that landing gear up on this pass. And let's see here. Oh, beautiful. Okay, if I can remember my switch for landing gear, it should be back left. It's been that long since I've flown anything with retracts. Our landing gear is up. No, it's not. Now it's up because I need to reverse my switch.
You still need to reverse your switch.
Oh, why is my switch not reversed yet? Let's hit 100 miles an hour. This should be nice and easy. Look at that profile. Okay, let's go full throttle. Ready? It is fun every time. It's echoing off the building. This has got to be one of the best foam jets I've ever had. Best looking foam jets I've ever had in my collection. Does that even look like 100 miles an hour? We just have so much airspace up here. It probably looks like it's just putzing right along. We are just so lucky to have such a beautiful place to fly. Here we go. 100 mile an hour pass. Oh, it looks good. Let's use a little rudder on that next pass. There we go. That's what I wanted. See if we can get that on the next one too.
Would you tip it toward us or something?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. I don't do that a lot on this jet, but I feel comfortable enough to do that here. Look at that. Isn't that a sweet pass?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll get
Picture worthy for sure, Nate.
Okay, we'll clean it up on this one. There we go. Almost knife edging.
You're
right?
gonna show us the underside. That's my favorite part.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Can you do that? Think about it.
Think about it. Think about it. No. Well, you gotta challenge me, Abby.
I do.
Okay,
That's my job as your wife.
On this pass, we'll turn safe off and do a few rolls and maybe a loop or two. Okay, safe's been on that whole time, which is just nice to have. Makes you just feel a lot more comfortable. There, we do have an audience today. We'll fly up, up, up,
They
up.
probably can't hear her. She's pretty far away. It's an older woman with her grandson.
Just wanted to watch. Let's do a nice big loop, Abby.
I lost you.
Okay.
that was a giant loop.
Yeah, we'll do a nice roll coming out of that. A couple rolls. This is a beautiful day to fly. Absolutely perfect. And what a sweet jet to have in the air. Just with I love the spotted clouds we have today. This really makes for a fun day to fly. I like doing this. Pretty pass. A lot of people, when they hear this jet, they think it's a real turbine because it does sound really good. Sounds like a real jet engine, but it is just a battery. Here's 0 throttle. Gliding it in. We blast it. We've got enough rudder authority, we should just be able to... Yeah, that's pretty cool.
That's cool.
Yeah. Flies inverted great, but I don't, so we'll roll it back over.
You gotta practice.
I do, but this is not my jet to practice inverted flight with. Real flight is, which by the way, updated version now, Real Flight 9.5. I don't know if you guys knew this or not, but if you have Real Flight 9, you get Real Flight 9.5 update for free, so that's awesome. I love flying this jet. It doesn't matter if safe is on or off for me. Absolutely love flying it, and it feels good. Safe is off now. I don't know if you guys can tell. Safe is off, and it just flies so well. I mean, it almost flies like a trainer. I can't say that because it's definitely not a trainer, but it's so predictable. I think that makes it trainer worthy. It's just a really nice performing.
It's not a trainer.
No, it's not.
Don't buy this as a trainer.
No, it's not. I'm just saying
for
it has
goodness
a really,
sakes, Nate.
really predictable flight path. And you know, you can just do a lot with it and feel really comfortable while doing it. We're gonna bring it around and cubinate that. We'll do a full cubinate here. Which I don't think I've ever done with this jet.
That was a giant one.
Yeah, that's a big fast 6S jet. I'll bring it back around here too. I love seeing that red tip of the nose.
Oh yeah.
Just in that sun.
I just like seeing the underside. That's my favorite thing.
Yeah,
right there.
The bird.
Yeah, the bird.
The bird.
So cool.
It's fun to fly, Abby. It's just a really fun jet. Have you flown a 6S jet yet? I can't remember.
I think you're
remember.
up
to 4S, aren't you?
Have I flown the A10 yet?
No.
You guys, have I flown the A10?
You know what?
I can't
I've broken
remember.
off enough of the ordinances now.
Of the A10?
Yeah.
You have?
I think a couple have snapped off.
Oh,
now.
I thought it was still in like perfect shape.
Oh, I wish.
Oh.
You should feel comfortable enough flying it. I've just, you know, the grass landings have been a little rough on it. I just love flying this. I wish I had more than 2 batteries. Well, you know what? I brought my F16 Falcon to fly today too. I'm not flying it on camera. I just wanted to bring it to fly for fun. I still have the one that's all beat up. Got myself a new one from that sale. So pretty happy with that. So pretty much a knife edge on this pass. Right over the hill if I can. Nope. Needed a little less aileron on that. Sometimes, you know, I mean, every time I fly, you guys get the real flight experience. I don't come out here and have 10 batteries and give you guys the best flights that I had. You get to see my flights. If I make a couple mistakes or whatever, it's included. If I crash, we throw it in there. And the camera's on and I crash, you better believe it gets to go to YouTube. I feel like doing those pretty passes are easier to do when safe is on. Well, we're getting low on flight time. I think that's about a minute left. That's a beautiful jet. Okay, let's see if we can grease this landing. I'm gonna save myself enough juice. We'll put our landing gear down now. There it is. I'm gonna put safe on. I don't land here very often. Give myself as much runway as I possibly can. Since this jet doesn't have flaps, I want to bleed off that speed just with gravity and distance. Here we go. Get it closer. There we go.
Very nice.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Back wheels touchdown first, so that's honestly as perfect as you could ask for. Just a little closer would have been nice, but it stopped right in front of us, so that was pretty good. Well, we fly for fun, right? I mean, every opportunity we get to get out here and bring the camera with us, I'm going to do that. If I know we're going to make a trip up here, I said, Abby, I just want to fly for fun today, but you know what? Everyone hasn't seen the Thunderbirds for a while. I haven't flown it for a little while. Let's put it in the air. But because you guys recently saw the F-16 Falcon, I'm just gonna fly for fun. You know, that's what I'm gonna do when the camera is turned off. So I do still enjoy this hobby very much every single day. That if I could fly 100% of the year and never miss a day, I would. The only thing that keeps me from flying usually is weather or things going on with family or something. So I just love getting out flying and sharing that experience with you guys. And although we're out chasing fun all the time, I want to encourage you guys to fly as safe as possible. Use a little common sense. You know, don't fly over people. Just try to fly at AMA sanctioned airfields if you can. It's always going to be safer to do that. And of course, have your AMA insurance. I just can't stress that enough. It's been a really big year, actually not even the whole year, just last few months or so. I've been talking about it regularly because I feel like it's just been a missing piece of the channel. Something that we need to encourage you guys to do. I just got my magazine in the mail for the month of September a few days ago, and I've been flipping through it and enjoying it, and it's just constantly reminding me to talk to you guys about it. So if you're not sure what AMA is and what it can do for you, we'll have more information on that linked in the description box below. Yes, this hobby is absolutely fun, and I think that Abby and I in the last 7 or 8 years of being on YouTube have been huge advocates for having fun in the hobby and just do whatever you can. Get a crawler, get a truck, get a boat, get a plane, helicopter, drone, whatever it is, your cup of tea, get it and enjoy it. Fly it, drive it, bash it, have fun, but do it safely for everybody, and encourage others to get into the hobby safely as well. And this hobby will only see good days to come. All the good stuff will be linked in the description box below. I am so grateful for today, getting out here to fly and sharing this moment with you guys. I know you've seen this jet before. There's a reason it keeps coming back to the channel. It's amazing. And for that, all the opportunities and just moments to share with you guys, I thank God. We just couldn't do this channel without him and without our Patreon supporters. So I want to say a huge thanks to all of our Patreon supporters. The names that are scrolling by right now are some of our top tier supporters. I want to say a special thanks to you guys because it just means the world to us that you would go so far out of your way to help support what we do and what we provide on YouTube. We got a spider.
Giant spider just crawled over my finger on my monopod. Please save me. Oh my gosh.
No, don't drop the camera.
It jumped.
No. I see it. I see it.
Oh my gosh.
Got it.
Is it gone?
Yeah, it's gone.
Okay.
Special guest, Mr. Spider. That is funny. Thanks. That's all I wanted to say. Thank you, Mr. Spider Interrupted. Guys, we appreciate you. You know that from the bottom of our hearts. Even if you're just a $1 Patreon supporter, even if you're just tuning in, you're a free viewer, we greatly appreciate the support. Maybe you let the occasional ad roll on YouTube. That does help keep our batteries charged, the camera and the RCs, fuel into tanks so we can get out here and make these videos. Just not enough wholesome content in the world, in my opinion. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll have another jet video popping up right about now. We'll see you there.